that hint of lemon with garlic salt, it's just on point.
Hello loves, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys what I eat on a day to stay healthy.
I am going to be using a mashed up avocado, 1 boiled egg, lemon juice, cayenne pepper, emulsion pink salt, and the Ruski oven brand. I love using this brand of bread because it contains 0% of sugar. And then finally, I'm going to be using this for my boiled egg. So here I have my mashed up avocado. I'm going to go ahead and start by adding just a tad bit of emulsion salt to it. A little bit of lemon juice. Cayenne pepper. I do this all the time, so I know the amount of seasoning that I need to be adding to my mashed up avocado. I then go ahead and stir it all together. So once that is ready, I'm going to go ahead and spread it all over the bread, and then with the slices of boiled eggs. So once that is done, the result should finally look like this. The drink, I then go ahead and make me my roasted dandelion root tea, which should look like this. It's very dark and bitter. And then I go ahead and add my MCT oil, 1 teaspoon. So the MCT oil, if you've never seen it before, this is what it looks like. It's a white substance. It looks white. And then I just go ahead and add it. Alright, so here I have what I'm going to be using for my lunch. I have my freshly washed peas, my cut up onions, my mixed cherry tomatoes, my habanero pepper, and then my 1 cup of pre-parboiled whole grain rice. What I'm going to be doing here with this piece is I'm going to be making green sauce out of it, and to achieve that I'm going to go ahead and blend my peas. So while the rice is cooking, I'm going to go ahead and get started by salting everything else by using my grapeseed oil. It's already poured in the pot, and here I'm going to go ahead and pour my onions. I'm going to let that cook for a little bit, maybe just for like 4 seconds. I mean, just a little bit more oil. That's one thing about grapeseed oil. It's not as heavy as the olive oil and the cayenne oil. So you have to be very precise on the amount that you're going to be pouring into your pot. And I'm going to go ahead and add the remaining of this. Add my seasoning. I'm going to be using the garlic salt. My nor. Then I'm going to go ahead and add my blended peas. This is what it should look like once you blend it to get my green sauce. And we are all set and done. Alright, so for din din, I am going to be having my Kellogg's pecan cranberry salad. Even though it comes with pecan, I don't like to use the pecan. I prefer using my own that I buy from Walmart. Actually, this is the non-salted one. I sprinkle my little garlic salt to my salad. I had my little lemon juice to it, of course, because I don't like salad dressing. Then I just add just a tad bit of grapeseed oil to my salad. So here is my salad in the bowl. Of course, I pour my little lemon inside. Then I dash just a little bit of the salt. The garlic salt, by the way. Then I'm gonna go ahead and add my cranberries to it. My pecan, sorry, my pecan, not the cranberry. Then I will add just a tad bit of the grapes, just a little bit, not too much. Just a little bit, that's enough, at least for me. I don't know about anybody else. Then I go ahead and get my chopstick and I just add it. And this is how I like my salad. Let me go ahead and taste my din din. That hint of lemon with garlic salt, it's just on point. Forgive me. But alright loves, that will be all for this video, and I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please kindly give me a like, share this video, comment down below, let me know which of these meals you'll be trying out if you've not already have. If you're new to my channel, hello, welcome. I go by Lady Marlena. Now I hope that you join the family by pressing that subscribe button down below. Please guys, help me grow this channel. Let's do this together. But before I digress, I would like to remind you to be kind to others, but most imperatively, be good to yourself. Alright guys, thank you so much. See you in my next video. Bye.